Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most important candlestick signal, which is inverted hammer signal. So let's get started. The inverted hammer signal is very easy to identify by having a small body with a shadow to the upside at least two times greater than the body. When the inverted hammer signal found at the bottom of the downtrend, it shows that the bulls are started to step in. A bullish positive day after the inverted hammer is required to confirm this signal. To identify the inverted hammer signal, we should observe the upper shadow should be at least twice as long as the body of the candle. There should be little or no lower shadow. The body should be positioned near the bottom of the trading range. The color of the body isn't critical, but the green body can indicate slightly more strength. The inverted hammer signal is more powerful in some of the cases, such as longer upper shadow means stronger reversal. Higher volume on the inverted hammer day equals to increased reversal chances. Gap down inverted hammer, that means more reversal strength if the next day opens higher. Let's study the psychology of inverted hammer signal with this example. Consider the downtrend is running and the atmosphere is bearish. Then suddenly one day price opens and start to trade higher. The bulls now have stepped in but they cannot maintain the strength. The seller take the price back to the lower end of the trading range, creating a small body. But the next day, bulls step in and move the price in upward direction without any major resistance from the bears. Because the bears are disappeared after the previous day's selling, if the price maintain positive after inverted hammer day, this is the confirmation of the signal. In this second example, we can see that at this bottom of the downtrend, a red big candle is seen, which shows that the major selling has been done on this candle, and then the gap down hammer signal shows that the bears are diminished now. The next day opening higher, and the bullish candle shows that there is the confirmation from the bulls for the reversal and started the good uptrend. So this is the inverted hammer signal which acts as a bullish signal, and we are done for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.